Most people believe that getting older means our bodies just slowly break down. We think that once something stops working, it's gone forever. But science tells a different story. Your body is a non stop repair shop. Every single day, your body is removing old cells and building brand new ones. Your skin replaces itself every month, your gut lining every few days. If you feel tired or foggy, your body has not stopped working. It's just missing the spare parts it needs to finish the repairs. Number 1, eggs. Think of protein as the bricks your body is built from. Eggs are the perfect building block because they contain every amino acids you need in the exact right balance. And do not skip the yolk. That's where the choline is, fuel for your brain and liver. Forget the old myths. Modern science shows these facts actually help build strong cell membranes and vital hormones. Next, the control center, your gut. Since 70% of your immune system lives here, a cranky gut means your whole body stays inflamed. Plain Greek yogurt and kefir are packed with probiotics, the friendly bacteria that lower inflammation. When the internal fires are out, your body can finally focus on fixing tissues instead of just surviving. Just remember, keep it plain. Sugar is the enemy of repair. Finally, the electrical system bananas. They provide the potassium your heart and muscles needs to move. Without it, you get cramps and fatigue, but they do more. They act as a gut fertilizer. The fibers in bananas are prebiotics. It helping those good bacteria from your yogurt grow and thrive. It's steady energy without the crash. Your body is not broken, it's just waiting for the right material. Eggs provide the brick, yogurt organize the repair crew, and bananas provide the energy to get the job done. Give your body the right tool, and it will respond by working faster, cleaner, and more powerfully.